Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Update WhatsApp and install Move to iOS on your Android, and make sure the iPhone is new or reset. Once done, plug both phones into power and put them on the same Wi-Fi network or connect them with a compatible cable. This prevents interruptions. Make sure you turn off any Android screen lock and grant all permissions when Move to iOS asks. Then open Move to iOS on Android and follow the on-screen code prompt to start the transfer. Now you'll perform the core transfer. After pairing, select WhatsApp from the Move to iOS data types list and tap Continue. The app will export your account info, chats, media, and settings into a temporary encrypted package. This can take from minutes to longer depending on size, so be patient. Make sure you don't close WhatsApp or the Move to iOS app and keep both devices awake. Once Move to iOS shows the transfer complete message, confirm and proceed to finish the iPhone setup. Finish by installing WhatsApp from the App Store on the iPhone and verify with the same phone number used on Android. When prompted, tap Start to import the transferred data. If you don't see chats, make sure you completed the Move to iOS sequence, then reinstall WhatsApp and repeat verification. Also check free storage and network stability. If transfer fails, retry with a direct cable connection or restart both devices. One key troubleshooting tip: keep both phones charged and the screens active throughout the entire.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.